You don't need a spotlight to own a red carpet. Sometimes one outfit does all the talking. And that's exactly what Lady Gaga just did at the New York premiere of The Devil Wears Prada 2. At an event already packed with fashion royalty, Gaga still managed to stand out, and not subtly. She showed up in a custom Saint Laurent gown that was anything but safe. We're talking sharp, exaggerated shoulders, a perfectly structured bodies, a dramatic floor-length train that instantly gave old Hollywood energy, but with a modern, almost theatrical twist. It wasn't just elegant, it was intentional, very Gaga. The real conversation starter, though, was her footwear. Lady Gaga stepped out in her leather platform pumps, and they were anything but ordinary. Known for their gravity-defying, almost heel-length illusion, the shoes created a surreal, futuristic silhouette with an extreme arc that instantly grabs attention. The glossy black finish added a sharp, rebellious edge to her otherwise sophisticated Saint Laurent gown, once again proving that Gaga doesn't just wear fashion. She bends it to her own rules, and that's always been her thing. She doesn't just follow fashion, she challenges it. From her iconic red carpet moment to experimental street style, Gaga has built a reputation for turning every appearance into a statement. And this look, it fits perfectly into that legacy. What's interesting is how this appearance also connects to the film itself. Because the Devil Wears Prada franchise has always been about the power, pressure and performance of fashion. And having Gaga, someone who literally embodies fashion as performance, at the premiere almost feels symbolic, like the film's world stepping into real life. The premiere itself, held at New York, was already a huge moment. You had icons like Meryl Streep returning as Miranda Priestly alongside Anna Hathaway and Emily Blunt. So expectations were sky high, and yet Gaga still manages to hijack the conversation. That says a lot, because in a room full of established fashion icons, standing out isn't easy. But Gaga doesn't compete. She redefines the space. Even her styling detail added layers to the look. The drama of the gown with a bit of unpredictability, it wasn't polished in a traditional sense. It was curated chaos. And that's what makes it memorable. Now, zooming out a little bit, this moment also reminded us why Gaga has remained such a dominant force in fashion for over a decade. She never stuck to one identity. One day it's classic Hollywood glam, the next it's experimentation, and sometimes it's something completely unexpected that people don't even understand, but end up talking about for weeks. And that unpredictability, that's power. Because in an industry where trends changes overnight, the people who last are the ones who creates their own lane. Gaga isn't dressing to impress, she's dressing to express. And honestly, that's why moments like this go viral. Not just because the outfit looks good, but because it makes you react. You either love it, question it, or try to decode it, but you don't ignore it. And that's exactly what happened here. With the film set for global release on May 1st, this premiere was already meant to build hype. But Gaga's appearance added an extra layer of attention. Almost like a teaser of the drama, boldness the film itself represents. So, in a way, she didn't just attend the premiere, she extended the film's narrative onto the red carpet. And that's a very Gaga move. Now the bigger question, was this her best look recently or just another iconic addition to her fashion archive? Because at this point, she's not just showing up, she's setting the bar.